Today's leading manufacturers know that reliability and sustainability go hand in hand and play a critical role in helping stay competitive in today's global economy. Manufacturers like Linde, the largest industrial gas company in the world.
Reliability is important to us, and we have corporate goals for improving our plant reliability and availability. We have climate change targets as part of our SD 2028 sustainability goals that help Linde to reduce its greenhouse gas impact globally. And at the end of 2021, Linde set new ambitious targets, including 35% absolute reduction of our greenhouse gases by 2035 and a climate neutrality ambition for 2050. Ultimately, if we make the plant more reliable, we improve overall efficiency and lower our specific energy per ton produced. Fewer unplanned outages leads to better energy performance, contributes to the company bottom line, and reduces the greenhouse gas impact.
This is precisely what Linde set out to demonstrate in a recent partnership with Emerson Automation Solutions and SESME.
SESME is a Manufacturing USA institute. We're here to bring the best and the brightest minds of industry together to solve really important problems and drive a more competitive and smart manufacturing environment here in the U.S.
An air separation unit is a complex and energy-intensive process for chemical industries. Suboptimal performance results in a loss of energy efficiency.
When we're monitoring these pumps and compressors, a lot of the times you're looking to identify minor failures like a bearing is starting to go bad, or seals on a pump are starting to go bad, because when I know that a bearing is starting to go bad, I can fix the bearing problem before the bearing completely fails and destroys the rest of the pump.
If we can know when the equipment health and performance is deteriorating, and we can access that information at our fingertips, is highly valuable.
For this project, Linde and Emerson chose 8 critical pieces of equipment, including 2 pumps and 6 compressors of different types, each with different levels of instrumentation. New wireless sensors and vibration equipment were integrated into a dedicated edge server that securely pumps data directly into a cloud historian. Emerson installed the PlantWeb Optics Analytics on the Smart Manufacturing platform, configured the 8 assets, and connected to the plant data sources. They then used historical data to train the equipment models and set up.
It uses analytical techniques like machine learning and AI to identify what the fault is, what the problem that caused the fault is, and tells the operator what to do about it.
In this case, it identified an increase in vibrations that no one else had noticed, that then we were able to reduce that vibration by going in and cleaning equipment and during the available outage window. The
new technology that we implemented basically takes the new wireless sensors, and brings that data straight up to the cloud without touching the IT infrastructure at the plant site. One of the benefits of using a cloud-type architecture is that we were able to do almost all of our work without even entering the plant. The only time we had to go to the plant was to install the hardware, the instrumentation, but the rest of the configuration, all the model building, all the definition of the user interfaces, all was done remotely from our offices.
This project gave us an opportunity to analyze data coming in with more advanced tools, and be able to look at something as it might be failing and take advantage of the fact that we know that it's failing and act on that before it unintentionally takes one of our plants here down. I can be at home, I can log in, it's pretty easy for me to get on and look at the real-time health information coming across for these critical pieces of equipment that we're monitoring using the system.
Sustainability is critical at Linde. Our mission is making our world more productive, and we are proud of the initiatives that reduce our own carbon footprint and those of our customers. Projects that reduce energy within our operations are essential to meeting our climate change objectives and our commitment to environmental stewardship.
So once we prove that it works in the SESME cloud, it allows us to easily roll it out to other companies, other industries, as well as other Linde sites. Because the type of assets that we're monitoring at Linde are the same kind of assets that you would have in any kind of industrial plant. Pumps and compressors, heat exchangers, cooling towers, and those kinds of things.
SESME is working with industry leaders on projects like this to provide members access to advanced technology through an open marketplace where developers can make their solutions available on the SESME Smart Manufacturing platform.
Not only for large companies like Linde, but also for medium and small companies. Bringing down the cost to collect, analyze, and respond to equipment health and performance issues is critical for our operations.
Discover how Emerson can help you improve reliability, increase efficiency, and reduce your carbon footprint. Visit emerson.com.